To achieve this target, Crony Group, the world-class composite, has taken entire steps with the motto of "Smile of Confidence." The Crony Group, turnover more than $100 million, is preparing to be the fastest manufacturing company within the country. Crony Group was established in 1994 by creative persons like Mrs. Neela Hasnara and Mr. A.H.S. Lamsani. It owns Abandi Color Tex Limited, Crony Tex Sweater Limited, Crony Apparels Limited, SS Cotton Fabrics Limited, Crony Printing and Embroidery Limited, Crony Logistics Limited, BD Packaging Limited, and Crony Sourcing Limited, with overseas office in Paris, Belgium, Hong Kong. At a glance: knitting, 35 tons per day; dyeing, 30 tons per day; yarn dyeing, 10 tons per day; garments, 150,000 pieces per day; sweater, 15,000 pieces per day; printing, 150,000 pieces per day; embroidery, 187 head. Crony has a workforce of 12,000 and over 3,000 local and foreign staffs, ensuring quality, quantity, and on-time delivery over the year. Crony Group works with leading brands like MGB, Mango, Tom Taylor, H&M, Kiabi, OKD, Jennifer, Galeria Kaufhof, Pramod, and many more. Laboratory is an independent department. It plays a critical role in every production phase, especially in dyeing and knitting section, maintaining the quality standard. The entire fabric unit is decorated with most modern equipments. The knitting section is furnished with 51 unit of circular knitting machine. In dyeing and dyeing finishing unit uses the modern equipments of Europe and USA standard. Considering environment issues, Crony has modern effluent treatment plant, ETP, in factory. In cutting section uses computer-aided design, CAD system, OPTEX software. Crony has both automated and manual cutting system. Garments finishing section is equipped with steam press and vacuum table. The other finishing machineries are needle detector, thread blowing, stain removing, carton box striping, etc. Crony Group has sophisticated computerized embroider unit with sequins, beading, and roof embroidery with capable of 90 million stitches per day. Crony Tex Sweater Limited has 200 jacquard machines and 1,800 manual machines to meet the higher production. The QC department works on breakthrough, efficient systems, like the Lean model. The company is assuring 5S system of operation from sourcing up to packing. All lines are being preserved at 1.5 QL at factory level. Before cartooning for export, a final inspection is undertaken, so that no faulty products can reach to the customers. Crony provides a safe and friendly working environment for every worker by ensuring personal protective equipments. It is a matter of pride that Crony has no accidents records in last 16 years of company's operations. Around the clock medical treatment facility with doctor and physicians, trained nurses and medication is available to meet any emergency. A modern daycare facility is available for the workers' children. Crony Group has equal employer opportunity. Therefore, 35 disabled people are also working with Crony family. In the way of become a massive success story, the one of the few garments of Bangladesh that implements ISO 9001 to 2008 QMS certified. QC 100 Leadership Quality Award. Business Social Compliance Initiative BSCI. OCO Text Standard 100. OCS 100 and OCS Blended. STEX. Fair Trade. GOTS. In the year of 2014, Avanti Color Text Limited, Crony Group, received 3 awards of social and environmental excellence. Platinum Awards for Grievance Handling, Gold Award for Innovative Initiative, and Gold Award for Inclusive Skill Development. Subcategory: A person with disability as a role model. Crony is led by experienced team of management who are very keen to invest for latest technology. Lead Platinum Factory is under process of USGBC. We have a vision to achieve the turnover $200 million by 2017. We believe that reigns supreme because we don't attempt to conquer.